Hello everyone, I'm Michael from Westboro Photonics. Let's take a look at graphics testing using Photometrica. For this demo measurement, we're going to be using this WP6ES imaging spectral colorimeter, which is our imaging colorimeter with electronic lens control and an integrated reference spectroradiometer. We're also going to be using this HVAC controller as our sample. Graphics analysis in Photometrica is quite easy. Here we can see the color measurement, and we can also look at just the luminance layer if we want. If we want to find each individual graphic, we can do what's called a refinement. I created one that has a minimum luminance of 1 candela per meter squared. It automatically finds the regions and draws this dotted line, or what we like to call marching ants. It's really important to know where your analysis is taking place. You can see when I'm zoomed in here, I can really see all the defects and non-uniformities on this graphic. I can show labels, and these labels are also reflected in the color space. If I zoom in a little bit more, you can see I created a custom color region called fan control. Some of these areas of interest land inside this region and some land outside. And we can easily see in our AOIs table which ones pass and which ones fail this color test. I'm going to select the two that are highlighted red here and say fail. Those ones land outside the custom color region. If I take a look at the other ones, they land inside the region. Let's take a look at another way to do graphics analysis. This time we're going to use Photometrica's graphics testing package. I'm going to open it up at the bottom here. It asks us to select an area that we want to do the analysis on. I can use my drawing tools and select the area manually, or I can select the entire field of view and just click the one button at the bottom, Test Selection. Following the parameters on the left side, it's going to automatically find these graphics. Right now it's set to have a background threshold percentage of 10% of the maximum value. It automatically detects the background, the foreground or the target, and the transition area between the two, which is very important. We can see all kinds of great information. The maximum luminance of the background, the minimum luminance of the background, the maximum luminance of the target area, the minimum luminance of the target area, the standard deviation, the contrast ratio, and even the average chromaticity. Another great tool for graphics testing is profile lines. I can select my line drawing tool from the left side of my screen, draw a line wherever I please, and then add it in my profiles window. Very quickly, I can see luminance as a function of position. As I move my cursor across the profile plot, notice the white spot that moves across my graphic. It tells me exactly where that data is coming from. And there we have a really quick look at graphics testing using Photometrica. Thanks for watching.